Good morning, students. How are you, students? Hope you all are well. So, students, today we will start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is light. So, first of all, we discuss about what is light. Light is a form of energy, and you all knows without light we cannot see anything. Suppose you enter a dark room and we cannot see anything without a source of light. So next we will discuss about there is two types of objects, luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Firstly we discuss luminous objects. Luminous objects that emit their own light. For example, sun, stars. These are luminous objects. Whereas non-luminous objects, those objects which do not emit light, that are called non-luminous objects. For example, table, chair, plants and human bodies. After that we will discuss about light travels in a straight line. So light is a form of energy. It travels in a straight line. There are numbers of examples in our daily life which suggest straight line motion of light. For example, you will see in this picture there is beam of light coming from the headlights of a car, and you will notice that the light rays appear to travel in a straight line. And the next example is when a beam of light enters a dark room through a gap in the curtains, we can see the light traveling in a straight line. And the property of light traveling in a straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. Let us perform activities. With the help of these activities, we will understand the rectilinear propagation of light. Firstly take a straight pipe and burn a candle. Try to see the candle through pipe. With this we are able to see the candle. After that take a bent pipe and try to look the candle, but we are not able to see the candle with the bent pipe. So this activity shows that light travels in a straight line and does not bend with the pipe.
That light travels in a straight line. Apparatus: 3 cardboard pieces of same size on the stands and a candle. Procedure: make holes in the 3 cardboards at the center. Light the candle and fix it on a stand. Arrange the cardboards in front of the candle using a meter scale in a straight line. Move any one cardboard piece from its position slightly and again observe from the opposite side. Observation: when we observe the candle while the cardboard pieces are in straight line, we see the flame of the candle. When we move any one cardboard from its position, we do not see the flame. Conclusion: light travels